This is part 2 and look at the pop rocks. I'm gonna eat it now. Bird! No, just go away. This is so hard. Try mo. Yung may ganito, ang sarap. Kausap po, putok. Babayan mo na mahinga eh. Doon ako sa other side. Kid will try, but he won't eat the one who has it. Faster. Watch for part 3 so we can eat more and more and more.